Expanding your conversational skills. Daily routines and habits. Hello, language learners. Today, we are taking a step further in mastering conversational English, specifically focusing on daily routines and habits. The goal is to continue practicing and expanding our ability to discuss and describe our everyday lives in English. Before we delve into new territory, let's review some of the phrases and sentences that we've previously learned. 1. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. 2. After brushing my teeth, I take a shower. 3. I usually have breakfast at 7 a.m. 4. My work begins at 9 a.m. Remember, these are just examples. You can customize these to reflect your own daily routine. To make our conversations more interesting and engaging, it's crucial to expand our vocabulary. Let's learn some new words and phrases related to daily routines. 1. Commute, the journey to work. My commute takes about 30 minutes. 2. Errands, tasks or small jobs that you need to do, such as shopping or getting something repaired. I have a few errands to run this afternoon. 3. Workout, physical exercises to stay fit and healthy. I usually have a workout after I finish work. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these new words in your conversations. Now that we've learned some new words, let's use them to make sentences about our daily routine. 1. After waking up, I commute to work, which takes about an hour. 2. On Saturdays, I run a lot of errands like grocery shopping and visiting the post office. 3. Before dinner, I like to have a quick workout to stay fit and healthy. Try to construct similar sentences with your daily routines. An integral part of any conversation is asking questions and responding to them. Let's practice some questions related to daily routines. 1. What time do you usually wake up? 2. How long is your commute to work? 3. What sort of errands do you run during the week? 4. What does your workout routine look like? And remember, always respond to questions with full sentences to practice your language skills. Fantastic job, everyone! Keep practicing these new phrases and questions, and soon you'll be discussing your daily routines and habits like a native speaker. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue expanding your conversational English skills. Happy learning!